Hey guys, so back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to do auto tracking and CapCut. So here, prepare a video like this. You can add a video of you pointing to something or you presenting something like this, and then after that you can just click on sticker. So here, if you want to put an image, you can just import your image here, but for today's I'm going to just use an emoji in here. For example, I want to use, okay, this is my favorite emoji, this one's right here. Click on a check icon and then position it to put, so you can just put it on where you want to, okay, like this for example, and then adjust the duration so that it fits the video, like this for example. And then after that, still click on the emoji, and then here at the bottom find tracking, click on that and then select an object to track. You just need to select this emoji for example, and then click on start tracking. And here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.